Hey guys. So what I want to do here is walk you through a pretty cool project I've been working on for a couple days now. What it is it's taking a Micrologix Allen Bradley PLC 1100, and it is taking its data, packaging it into sort of a production report, and putting it onto the IOTA Tangle blockchain. So it's a practical application of taking an industrial device, going through a secure gateway that is close to the device, and is signing the data and putting it straight into the blockchain without anything in between. So there's the PLC there. I have a smart relay that I use for triggering, just to, have some method of triggering local I/O. In that case, I can actually use any smart home app that I have. So not super practical, but shows the purpose. Here I have the code, but what I wanted to do was walk you through a little network architecture. So PLC, there's the trigger like I spoke about, a secure gateway with these Zimbit hardware secure device. I have a local database. I send out email notifications based on information being sent to the blockchain, as well as an SMS text message, and then of course packetizing the information and putting it into the IOTA Tangle. So I have the basic PLC program here, nothing special. I mocked up a minor production system in the sense that I have a timer that counts, and every time the timer finishes, it then resets itself, but it also drives a counter, and you can actually see the counter values there. You can get a feel for, the timer there on the top, and then the counter accumulated value. So what I actually do here is when the PLC has counted up to 5 on that accumulated timer, that is mocking up a production completion. So what that means is it's done, so therefore let's packetize all of the production data at that time and send it out. And you can actually see here, this is the live stream. So there you go, I just actually sent out data. So that, if you go back to here, the flows, I just got a text message as well saying that, and then what I'll do is I can open up my email, and what you'll see is there's the data that was sent, and there's the time, and there it is, there's the packetized production data in this case. So quick stop on the flow here, basic pickups to like input nodes to pull the data from the PLC in its native form protocol. It's not as common of a protocol as nowadays, so it takes a little bit of configuring, as does the program, but when you get it set up, it works fairly seamless. So I start an MQTT broker. I display the data there. I actually can control the PLC from Node-RED. That's that one in the middle there. And then what I do is I take the information from the PLC, I packetize it, I put it into a function, I then create a JSON string, and then I send it out via MQTT through the streaming node that is running there to the IOTA Tangle. I also take a copy of that information and send it to an email address, which is my email, and I also send it to my cell phone. So I get an email and a text message, and I'm then I'm alerted. I also have a copy of the information that was sent at the exact time that it was sent. And then if I go to, this is the IOTA Explorer, so what this does is allows me to see what data was sent to the blockchain based on the channel address. The channel address is given here. If I explore it, I can actually see, there you go. There's the information that was sent. So now it is immutably stored on the blockchain, 0 fees through IOTA, so there's a benefit there. Very lightweight. I like having the actual node be as close to the device as possible, as well as having the secure nature of it. It's a very powerful proof of concept that could be expanded to entire production lines And this dashboard could be abstracted out in the sense of it could have more production information. You could be tying in various other parts of your business, and through a gateway like that, you would be able to talk to numerous PLCs. I'll be talking to that Opto 22 Rio shortly, and even that Turtlebot that I have back there can run a ROS node. So in theory, this could be replicated and used in many different ways. So I hope you guys like the proof of concept and can get a feel for sort of the scalability of this and how you could use this to get the blockchain advantage while using legacy equipment and only really requiring a fairly inexpensive investment of hardware, because this could be a ruggedized piece of kit as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you learned a couple things, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.